Hi there all you lash lovers. Today I am so excited because Glad Girl ended up sending me over their volume and mega volume lashing kit, and I wanted to open it up with you guys. This is an exclusive of what Glad Girl sends out. I'm going to go over all of my favorite products and what you guys can expect when you get this lashing kit. Go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I just opened up the kit. I have no idea what's inside. I'm so excited to open it with you guys. So let's just jump on in and see what I got. Okay, so first up, it comes packed in this cute little lashing bag. I absolutely love this bag. I actually have one of these already, and I use it all the time when I am a traveling lash artist and I go to my clients' houses. It's just so cute. It goes perfect with most salon decors. It's super sturdy and durable. You can just wipe it down at the end of the day, keep it super sanitary, and I just love this bag. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so you can see this is packed with goodies. So let's just jump on in and see what I got. So I got, I love these lashes. So these are Glad Girl's volume lashes. I got these in D Curl 0.05. I got a mix tray, another mix tray. So I got 3 mix trays of those. These are perfect. This will probably get you, I'd say, around 8 to 10 clients. So this is perfect. Just those clients alone, more than double, triple pay for this kit. So very worth it already. Now let's get into the big guns. So here we have the Flower Bouquet glue trays. And I actually really love these trays. Let me open them up here. So it looks like this kit comes with 5 of these trays. This is awesome. So basically you can put your glue inside of these trays and then they help you fan out your lashes. They're super easy to use. I can actually come out with a little tutorial showing you guys a more in-depth way to use these if you'd like, so go ahead and let me know. But this is awesome. I love that they gave you so many and you can get a ton of use out of it. Next up, again, I absolutely love these. These are the reusable lash wands, and I like using these for myself, but I also will retail these to my clients, or if it's like their birthday or around Christmas, I will put it into a goodie bag for them. So basically, this is what they look like. And they have a super cute little glittery top, and they're in a case, which is perfect because you can retail these to your clients, gift them to your clients, and then they're not just flinging their spoolies into their purse and losing them. They actually have a case and they're more inclined to keep them with them. Next up in this goodie bag is some glue remover. Must have when you're doing lash extensions. I probably have to remove a fan or 2, probably every set that just doesn't want to come off with like the banana peel method. So this is great. This is actually the sensitive. So this is their sensitive I need some space eyelash adhesive glue remover. I love this stuff. I use this on all of my clients. It comes in this really cute pink pot. So again, you can leave this out for salon decor if it matches your aesthetic. Love this. Next up is the Blink and Wink eye gel patches. Love these patches. These are really hydrating. So these are great for your clients' under eyes. They peel off really easily, no discomfort, and they also are very good for sensitive under eyes. So these are a must. Okay, next up is the 3M sensitive tape. Again, perfect, very easy to peel off of the under eye after you have done your service. And this is also great because it is hypoallergenic, and so it's great for the under eyes if your client is very sensitive and you don't want any redness. This is your go-to. I always have one of these in my kit. The next thing that I have just pulled out are the 2 tweezers. Love, these are so cute. As you can see, they are pink. I love it. It goes with my salon decor so well. And it looks like they sent me the 4.50 doe foot. And this is really good for grabbing the lashes and making the fans. And then it looks like they sent me the 5.50 precision. This is great for isolation. Next up is obviously an absolute must. This is the glue. So they have sent me one of my favorites. This is Volume Plus. I really like this glue because it's gentle enough that your clients most likely won't have any sensitivities to it. And it also is gentle for the lash artist, meaning that it has a little bit of a slower dry time. So if you end up placing your lash down and don't love the location you put it or the way that it's facing, if you do it quick enough, you can easily take the lash off and replace it before it has adhered to the lash. So I really love this for people that are starting out, but I also have been in the industry for years and I still use it. So this is great for every artist, no matter what your experience. And the next two things that I just pulled out actually really go hand in hand with each other. So we have the micro brushes, and then we also have the Superhero Sidekick Bonder. So I'll start with this bonder. This bonder is amazing. I use it on every single one of my lashing clients, mostly volume, but you can get away with it for classics too. So this is great. You can use it on the actual strip of the lashes before you take them off. And if you put that right on the base, it helps them fan out longer and stay fanned out. You can also use it on your client's lashes as prep to make sure that all of the oils are gone and that the adhesive will stick. And then you can use it afterwards as well as a sealant. So this is a 3-in-1 must have. Absolutely love this stuff. And then to go along with it, we have the micro brushes. So we want to stay sanitary here. We are a sanitary bunch of gals. So you just want to use these micro brushes, just dip in one time, push it on the lashes, and then throw away and get another one. So they give you quite a few here. They should get you through a couple of lashing sets, which is perfect. Again, already pays for itself. And on that note, I actually just picked up another primer. This one is great. This is the pre-application primer. So you want to use this one before your lashing set, after you've washed the lashes with our Wash and Wink. And as I can see here, the little brush that they sent you, then you want to make sure that you put this on after. This is your last step before you start applying the lashes. And this just gets any excess oil and dirt and debris off the lashes so you get the perfect retention. Now we are on to a tray. This is awesome. I love this tray. It's big enough that you can fit quite a few lash rows on it. So just put all of your volume lashes on this. And then sticky dots. I absolutely love these sticky dots. So basically what you want to do with these bad boys is stick them on top of one of your trays, just right up here. And then when you're making your fans, pull your fan off of the strip, place it down on the end of the sticky dot with a little bit of pressure. And when you let go, all of those lashes bounce back at you and open and fan out. These are amazing. They have saved me so much time in my career, and I do not do a lashing set volume without these sticky dots. We're on to the last three. Here is two of the products. So this is for glue, and I love that they have sent you both options. That way, if you are a new up and coming lash artist, you can decide for yourself what you like best. So first up, they sent you their Jade Stone. I love a good Jade Stone. This is great if your salon happens to be a little bit hotter because it does keep your glue nice and cold for the whole time. So this is great for the summer heat. But if it's during the winter and my client is not sensitive, I'll always go for a glue ring. Love these glue rings. They're super easy to use. You just stick them right on your finger, and then that way everything is really precise and you aren't moving around too much. You just make the fan, dip, and go. Love these, and again, they're pink cute, go with everything I love, so this is a great addition. On to the final product, and this is wrapped so cutely in this pink bubble wrap. Let's take it off and see what we've got. This is the tweezer cleaner. Again, they have got you covered on every single thing you would possibly need. So these are great. So this does not sanitize your tweezers, so just remember that. You will want barbicide and to do it per your state board requirements. But this is really good in case you get any adhesive on your tweezers. You just simply dip it in. There is a little sponge in there that you grab with your tweezers to really get all of that glue off, and this is great to keep on hand in case you get any glue that is just messing with your lash set. So there you have it, lash lovers. That is the Volume and Mega Volume kit. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So this kit comes with 3 different options. You can do the rapid fanning and then 2 different types of volume lashes, depending on if you want to go very nice and fluffy and light volume lashes all the way up to mega volume. So when you go in and purchase this kit, definitely make sure you are purchasing the option best for you. This is hands down the best kit for beginner lash artists. So if you are in that category, definitely check it out. And Glad Girl also has a ton of other kits: brow lamination, lash lift, brow extensions, everything you would possibly need. So definitely go ahead and check it out. The link is below, and I will see you guys on my next unboxing. Thanks so much. Bye.